This just-in-time video explains how to use OLLI.com's event template to create announcements of upcoming meetings and other activities. To create an event, follow these 3 easy steps. Step 1. Once you've signed in to OLLI.com at olli-uga.mn.co, scroll down the menu to the left and click the name of the SIG or committee where you'd like to post your event. Just above the feed in the next screen, to the right of the SIG or committee name, click the plus Create button, then click Event to reveal the event template. Step 2. Under Event Title, enter the name of your event. Include the date and time of the event in the event title for maximum impact. Just below Event Title, click the toggle button to the right to ensure that the event will be posted to the group's feed. Next, enter the date and time when your event will start and end. Click the calendar in the date field to the left and select the date your event will be held. Next, click the time listing to find and select the time your event will begin. To adjust the ending date or time, just click the date or time fields to the right and update them accordingly. The Repeat Event option is toggled off by default. No need to change this setting. For in-person or combined in-person and online events, make sure that the event type selection is set to Local. Under Location, enter the venue name, street address, city, state, and zip code in the spaces provided. Including the venue address enables the system to generate a map with directions once your event is posted. Enter a Zoom link under Add an optional link if your meeting is being conducted both in person and online, as shown in the example for Rivers Crossing. Or, if you're meeting in person only at a venue like a restaurant, you can add a link to its website or to another resource like a menu. For in-person only meetings, you can also leave this field blank. For online only events, make sure that the event type selection is set to online and that Meeting appears in the field below. Enter the link for your meeting in the space provided and ignore any prompts about signing into Zoom. The RSVPs option is toggled on by default. Keep it on to receive responses about whether your members are going, not going, or maybe going to attend your event. The Restrict Event Link and Close RSVPs options are toggled off by default. No need to change these settings here unless you want to limit how people respond. Now scroll down to About Event. To add an optional image, click the plus sign. In the next screen, make sure the header image is selected, then click the plus sign there. You will be directed to your file manager where you can select the image you wish to display. Once you've selected the image, click Save. Last, under Description, enter a brief description of the event. To attach one or more files or images, click the plus sign for each one. You'll be directed to your file manager where you can select the file you'd like to attach. Step 3. Review the information you've entered to make sure it's correct. Then, at the top right of the screen, click Post. When asked if you want to notify your members via email, click Notify. Your event post will also be visible under both Feed and Events for your group. That's it. You're done.